Okay, here's a little bit more, well, here's the shot of the inflate from a different angle. Hopefully it'll cover some additional details. Basically, the balloon is kind of sitting on top and a little bit hanging behind the blower. That seems to be a good position because then it doesn't snag out in front or at the sides. So, and it's all plugged in, so here we go. Okay, I think it's pretty much up. It's looks like it's not too bad. This time the center, the middle piece, kind of was off to one side, so I tried to get that in the middle, or trying to keep it approximately in the middle so that it lifts into the correct place. So I need to step back farther here. Okay, there. Okay, there we go. So it's fairly balanced at the moment. Okay, so I guess that was successful. I think I mentioned this in another video. But the critical part is to get some of the balloon overhanging the PVC rim so that it just doesn't keep falling down in. And then once in a deflated state, and then or partially inflated state, and then once it gets inflated and it protrudes beyond the PVC rim, it sort of stays up there by itself, and you can kind of push the rest into place. Didn't mention this earlier. I've also got a row of line tied around. Let's see, about 2/3 of the way up between the PVC rim and the bottom. The purpose of that was, initially I thought we needed it for wind stability, but it actually is an additional place to kind of hang, to hang some of the balloon over before it's completely inflated, to help keep it up. Let's see what else. I think that's about it. Of course, avoiding snags is kind of the main objective as it gets inflated, and then positioning it into place. The pull tabs are helpful for that.